CoClub is building a network of coding clubs for 9 to 11-year-olds across the UK. This is how it works. Volunteers join forces with a local venue like a school, community centre or library to run a coding club for children for 1 hour a week. They help the children complete the CoClub projects to create games, animations and websites. CoClub volunteers come from all walks of life. They are teachers, parents, students, programmers, engineers, designers. Anyone can volunteer if they can give just 1 hour a week and are enthusiastic about helping children develop digital skills.
CoClub is a really brilliant opportunity. You get to work with really inspirational kids and it's a pleasure to teach them.
You don't have to be a coding genius to get involved with CoClub. Most clubs start with a simple program called Scratch. Our projects are easy to follow step-by-step guides which the children can use at their own pace. Volunteers can learn alongside the children as they progress through the projects together. As well as developing their coding skills, volunteers can also improve presentation skills and gain confidence working with children. CoClub support volunteers with great resources, training, events and newsletters. Can you help give every child the skills, confidence and opportunity to shape their world? Volunteer with CoClub. Find out how at coclub.org.uk.